We are officially in the middle of nowhere.
Just what we needed. No emails, no meetings.
No power, no Wi-Fi.
No distractions. Just us, a little fresh air, and...
Hey! Pete? The board has called for an emergency meeting for tomorrow morning. And we have to create a Q1 performance analysis by tonight.
Should we send for help? We should send for help.
We are the help.
Ta-da! You brought a laptop?
Actually, it's more than just a laptop. It has the new Snapdragon. A what dragon? Snapdragon X Elite NPU.
The most powerful, intelligent, and battery efficient, thanks Pete, neural processing unit in its class.
Not sure I know what that means, but let's give it a go.
Be ready for anything, anytime, anywhere with Snapdragon X Elite. What's next has arrived at SHI.
And done.
Whoa.
Now, someone pass me those marshmallows.